In English, we greet each other at Easter time by saying Happy Easter. But what about Italians? The Italian Easter greeting you'll hear most often is
Buona Pasqua.
which literally translates as Good Easter.
Buona Pasqua. Buona Pasqua a tutti.
Happy Easter, everyone. In order to specify who is on the receiving end of your greeting, you can use the following indirect object pronouns.
Buona Pasqua a te.
Happy Easter to you, informal you.
Buona Pasqua a lei.
Happy Easter to you, formal you.
Buona Pasqua a voi.
Happy Easter to you, plural you. A longer alternative is
Auguri di Buona Pasqua.
which literally translates as Good Easter wishes. However, in the spoken language, people usually shorten this to just
Auguri.
or
Tanti auguri. Auguri di Buona Pasqua, Gianni. Grazie, auguri anche a te.
Happy Easter, Gianni. Thanks, the same to you. The verb,
Augurare.
which means to wish, is used in the phrase I wish you a happy Easter.
Ti auguro una buona Pasqua.
If Easter occurs early in the year, it's called,
Pasqua bassa.
literally, low Easter, whereas a late Easter is called,
Pasqua alta.
literally, high Easter. The most important religious dates preceding and following Easter Sunday
La domenica di Pasqua.
are as follows:
Domenica delle Palme.
Palm Sunday,
Venerdì Santo.
Good Friday,
Sabato Santo.
Easter Saturday,
Pasquetta.
Easter Monday,
Pentecoste.
Pentecost.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.